This is an already installed video intercom system, and in this video I will use it to show you how you can do a remote view setup of this system to be viewed on a mobile phone. A first requirement is that there is need for a wireless internet, of which I will provide the internet using my internet router here. So let's quickly do the network settings for the indoor unit. So tap on settings. We'll come down to select network right here. At this point, we'll change the network pairing mode to AP mode, which refers to access point mode. We'll confirm it here. We need to restart the device to have it take effect. So we'll agree to restart. The machine is gone off and we'll come back. So we'll come onto the phone we wish to connect now. You will have to download and install the Tuya app. When you are done setting up the app, this is how the interface looks. So we'll have to go to add device. We'll continue. You will have to scroll up and select camera and lock. So we'll come to choose doorbell camera. At this point, we'll have to tap the top here and select Wi-Fi mode. Choose next step. Tap on next. The system has discovered my Wi-Fi network, so I'll input the Wi-Fi password in order to allow internet access into the video intercom system. Choose next. Go to connect. The phone has discovered the access point of the video intercom, which is listed here. So select it. It is connecting. So the phone is now connected to the access point of the video intercom. So we'll go back from here. So it is scanning now. The device is now added successfully. So we will tap on done. And then you can see video from the outdoor units now. Now that that is done, whenever this button is pressed, you will get an alert that the doorbell has been pressed. When you tap the notification, it takes you to live videos from the outdoor unit. If you are not logged onto the app and the bell is pressed, you will see the alert in the form of a phone call. When you accept the call, that takes you to a live video of who is standing in front of your camera. You can speak to the person in the video live from wherever you are receiving the call from, as if you were right at home. It's been a pleasure coming your way again. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. But let me hear from you if you have comments and questions about this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.